I've spent years as a summer musical parent, and I know how special this experience can be for students. Today, I'm excited to be here during one of our monthly theater training weekends, part of our new approach to theater education in the EVSC. This summer, our talented students will bring a powerful story to the stage as they perform Titanic the Musical. Students across the entire production, from the cast on the stage to the crew backstage and the orchestra in the pit, have been working together during these weekends to prepare for a great show. And they can't wait to share their performances with our community in June. This production also marks a new chapter for our program. For years, you've known us as the EVSC Summer Musical. We're now the EVSC Summer Musical Company, reflecting our commitment to expanding theater education and giving students an experience modeled after professional theater training. Let's go behind the scenes and see what our students and production staff have been creating.
Well, you know, as a high school student myself, theater changed my life. I found my passion, right? And it led me to New York, where I performed on Broadway and at Carnegie Hall and on national tours and every single kind of theater you can think of across the country. That is my acting experience. And then towards the end of that, particularly when I had kids of my own, I found directing and I found teaching. And so I'm able to take all of my experience and all of the knowledge that I gained working with people really at the top of the field and pass on that knowledge to these students.
It's been really exciting. The summer, we've been able to build up a lot of our skills. We've been able to focus on that over these weekends. So we've been doing ballet fundamentals and vocal warm-ups that are specific for this show, focusing on how accents might change the way we're singing. And then we've been doing a lot of acting games, which is fun, building our creativity and how we can express ourselves on stage.
Theater's been in my family for forever. My parents did it, my siblings did it, and watching them perform was such a joy. And I always wanted to give it a shot, and I've been doing it I did it last year. So doing it this year again was super fun, and with the new 2-week summer stock adaptation, it's really interesting and I'm excited to try it out.
Yeah, it's always been in my heart. I've always loved to sing. I've always watched my sister do musicals, and acting is just fills my heart up with joy.
It's really fun to work with hard music. It challenges yourself, it challenges your mental aspects, and just overall just kind of makes you feel alive almost.
In Titanic the Musical, I play Frederick Barrett. So I'm like a Scottish stoker on it, and I get this really cool song where it's a bunch of guys and me in the boiler room, and we're shoveling coal. Pretty cool.
In the show, in Titanic, it's been very interesting as we've looked at the script, looking at the different classes and how the story really focuses on how in the end, it doesn't matter what class you are. It doesn't matter where you come from, where you're going, but we're all living this life together.